when you cried or broken down in pain. Or the hours you spent in the best, worrying about the thing that didn't last. Everything you saw played a part, and everything you are in your heart. After you clear your eyes, you'll see the light somewhere in the darkness. After the rain has gone, you feel the sun comes. And though it seems your sorrow never ends, someday it's gonna make sense. Someday it's gonna make sense. After the rain has gone, you feel the sun comes. And though it seems your sorrow never ends, someday it's gonna make sense.
Ladies and gentlemen, the new Empress of Drama, Empress.
Thank you, Kuya Echo, Kuya John Lloyd.
Kuya! Buhay! Ha?
John Lloyd na lang, ikaw naman tayo.
Echo na lang, ano ba naman yung ate, oh?
Pagka si Piolo, lagi mo Kuya Piolo. Anyway, Empress, congratulations!
Thank you.
First, we want to ask you, ano ba ang pakiramdam na isa ka na ngayong Empress of Drama? Ayun yung mga fans mo, sila Kim Chu, sila Andy.
Fans ko mga princesses din. And syempre sobrang masaya at kinakabahan din. Masaya kasi sa ginatang edad ko, diba, may type na ako, kaya ang saya. Tapos alam ko na ganito pala yung tingin nila sa akin po talaga. At kinakabahan dahil kailangan mas kailangan ko pang galingan at patunayan yung sarili ko sa kanila. Kaya gusto ko talagang pasalamatan yung mga fans ko doon.
Grabe ang social ng mga fans mo Tsaka nakakaraw sila.
Gusto ko pasalamatan yung buong network po, yung management, yung production po, lahat po ng staff and my Star Magic family. Thank you so much po talaga.
So Empress, ano ang dapat abangan naming mga fans mo?
Yeah.
Ano ba ang dapat naming abangan?
Abangan niyo po, malapit na ang Rosalca, directed by Jeffrey Jutorian, ngayong May 2010 na po, kaya abangan niyo po. Salamat!
Congratulations, Empress, and thank you sa fans ni Empress. Thank you very much. All the best in your new show. Up next, unang tikim kasama Kamikaze, only here on ASAP Extreme!
Lugaw! Eko!
Anong iko?
Eko!
Ayan.